everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do. And today is part 2 in my 2-part series of gift guides for 2018. Let's just get into the list of 6 different subscription boxes, which I think are the ideal gift to give somebody when you just sort of know they're into something but don't necessarily want to buy them a specific thing. You can get them a selection of things. It's also quite plus size friendly because a lot of these boxes either offer larger sizes if they are if they do put things in with sizes, or they don't offer sizes at all, as in they don't sell or they don't put clothes in them. So that is very good. It means you can't really go wrong in terms of getting it for one of your larger friends. Panty Drop Me. So the website is just pantydrop.me. Makes a lot of sense, right? It is a sexy underwear subscription box. And they go all the way up to a size 6XL, depending on the styles and things like that. But they will curate a box for you based on your likes and dislikes in the underwear game and what type of materials you like, and then you'll get a customized box. So if you're buying this for a friend of yours or somebody maybe who's getting married soon and you want to send them some sexy things, or your significant other dudes, you know, or other dudes who like to wear women's underwear, that's totally up to them if they want to do that. You can get them a cool subscription box, and you can get it in the size and the style that they like. Box number 2 is Cause Box. So it is, I've never got the box myself, but I have friends who have, and essentially every item in it is meant to give back in the place where it's made. So it's one of those like feel-good boxes where you can get fashion items, beauty items, things like that, and they seem to be doing really great things. I think their fall box sold out so quickly they added a welcome box or something like that extra. It seemed really cool, and I would like to check them out in the new year as well. So the next one on my list is Munch Pack, and this is a box of snacks from around the world, and they're not like just all gross ones that you'd never really want to eat and you're just trying them for shits and giggles. The boxes start at like $9.99 American, so that is reasonably affordable. You can, and that's for like 5+ snacks, so yeah. They ship to Canada, as well as all of these boxes ship to Canada. Just heads up, they all ship to Canada. Munch Pack was really nice and sent this over to me to give a review. You'll be seeing a video coming soon, I hope. So I really enjoyed the box. Spoiler alert, I really enjoyed it. And I think this would be a really good gift for a family or something like that. You can send them something cool and they can try it together. They do have a family box with a lot of stuff in it, so you can all try it out and things like that. I just think it's a really cool gift for somebody who likes snacks. If you have a snacker in your life, the Munch Pack is so good. Alright, box number 4 is the Stay Creative box. This one is Canadian based. I don't know if they ship to the US, but it is all about fostering your creativity, and they offer products, or they add in products from Canadian makers and businesses, which I wholeheartedly support. It was actually kind of hard to find Canadian based subscription boxes, but this was one and I thought it was really cool. I would like to try it out. I was only introduced to it a couple days ago, so I have to do a little bit more research on it, but I think it'd be really fun if you're Canadian to support other Canadian makers, because that's all they offer in the box. Ooh, this next one might be a little controversial in terms of giving it as a gift, but if you have one of your friends who loves being single, and she's like a Samantha, you know, from Sex and the City, she's a Samantha, wholeheartedly loves being single, loves being on her own, whatever, or his own, totally up to them. Like, I don't know if the box is gendered or not. The Single Swag box. I think this is a really cool idea because like there's all kinds of stuff out there for couples to do, but when you live on your own and you just want to like chillax, this is the box for you. Or your friend who is eternally single and loves it that way. I wouldn't suggest you give this to somebody who is like touchy about being single, or newly single, newly divorced, and is upset about it. That might be the wrong message to send, but somebody who loves being single, this is the box. This is the box for them. And the final box on my list is the Quirky Box. So Quirky Box is just what it says. It offers cool designed things like enamel pens or pins, all kinds of cool stuff in the box. Ships to Canada, which again, 100% necessary because if I can get the box, I'm not gonna tell you guys about it. So I think this is a really cool idea. It looks really fun online. I've not gotten it myself. However, I definitely want to try it because it looks so darn cool. If you have a subscription box that you get all the time and you think would make a really great gift, put it in the comments. Why do I want to see a description box every time? Put it in the comments because I'd love to check it out as well. I mean, I'd love it if it shipped to Canada, but a lot of them don't, or they charge a lot of money. I mean, Cosbox charges more, but also they're trying to do some social good, so like I'm okay with paying that. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my mini gift guide, and if you have any suggestions for more subscription boxes, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, I do try to comment back to every comment on the video for the first 24 hours. Unless you're being a jerk, then I just block you. It's my channel, I can do what I want. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!